Hello all. We are going to view RTC configuration parameters. Control mode of thermostat can be heating, and cooling, and air conditioner. Heating and cooling control value output can be selected one object for both or two objects for each modes. If via two objects is selected, heating and cooling control type can be set individually. But if via one object is selected, heating control type settings will be applied to cooling control type settings. The parameter defines the behavior of the control mode after bus power return. For switchover between heating and cooling, if only via object is selected, mode of thermostat can be changed only from KNX bus. It can be allowed to change mode via device by selecting local and via object. If automatic is selected, device logic will change the mode according to set point and deadband. Window contact object can be used to take thermostat control in standby position according to window status. If window is open, thermostat will stop working. When always disabled is selected, the thermostat logic continues to operate, but changes like set point, operating mode, or control mode cannot be made via the thermostat but only via KNX bus. If via object is selected, it is possible to enable or disable thermostat via KNX bus. Minimum and maximum set points can be defined. Set point step can be selected from list. Set point temperature can be set cyclically and by change of set point. The parameter defines the behavior of operating mode after bus power return. 1-bit operating mode objects can be enabled for each operating mode. Default set point temperature of operating modes can be adjusted for heating and cooling individually. Control type can be selected depending on the controlled unit. For more information about control type parameters, please see Eclipse Thermostat Manual. Additional stage can be enabled for both heating and cooling. If yes is selected, additional stage can be disabled or enabled from KNX bus via related object. Offset from set point parameters defines the difference between set point and room temperature to activate additional stage. Fan control can be enabled. Fan display can be selected for only heating, only cooling, or both. If control unit has fan off, it can be activated. If control unit has fan auto mode, it can be activated, and if it is necessary, 1-bit fan auto manual object can be enabled. Otherwise, 1-byte fan speed control object can be used for fan auto mode. Number of fan stage can be selected from list. Fan stage object type can be selected 1 bit for each fan speed, or 1 byte enumerated or scaling. This function contains special communication objects to control an air conditioner via a KNX AC gateway. Parameters should be set same as AC gateway. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.